In what year did New York become a state? What was New York City originally called? Which U.S. president was born in New York? The Statue of Liberty was a gift from which country? Ellis Island served primarily as Who is the governor of New York as of 2024? Which political party dominates New York City politics? Who is the current mayor of NYC, 2024? New York has how many electoral votes, 2024? What is Albany's role in New York? Which rapper is known as the King of New York? Which singer's hit Empire State of Mind became a NYC anthem? What NYC borough did hip-hop originate from? Which band originated from Queens, New York? What is the name of NYC's iconic concert venue? Which NFL team plays in New York? Which MLB team is based in the Bronx? Which sport is played at Madison Square Garden? Who is a legendary Yankees player? Which NYC marathon is world famous? Which gangster was based in New York City during Prohibition? Which infamous prison was located near NYC? Which borough had the Son of Sam murders? Which crime boss was known as the Dapper Don? What major crime event happened on September 11th in NYC? Which late-night host is from NYC? Which former Secretary of State was a New York senator? Which singer was born in the Bronx? What billionaire businessman is from Queens? Which actor was raised in Manhattan? Which landmark is in Central Park? What's NYC's nickname? Which museum is on Fifth Avenue? How many boroughs does NYC have? What color are NYC taxis traditionally? Which bridge connects Brooklyn and Manhattan? Where is Wall Street located? Which island is home to the Statue of Liberty? What's the tallest building in NYC as of 2024? Which avenue is famous for Broadway theaters? Which NYC airport is named after a president? Which park is the largest in NYC? Which neighborhood is known for jazz history? What is the famous shopping street in NYC? Which NYC neighborhood is famous for its finance industry? Which university is located in Upper Manhattan? What iconic event happens in Times Square every New Year's Eve? Which borough is the most populous? What major art museum is located in Manhattan? Which famous TV show was set in NYC?